Hello friends, Mama Fox here. In today's video, I am going to be doing a mom makeup tutorial because most mornings I have about 5 to 10 minutes to get my makeup together, and I thought I would share some very helpful tips with you all. Here's my little makeup caddy. So yes, let's just get ready together this morning. My favorite thing to use is this Bare Minerals the Complexion Rescue, it's called. I just got this a couple of weeks ago, and actually this inspired me to make this video because I like this stuff so much. It kind of multitasks. It is a sunscreen, it is a foundation, and it also moisturizes. So of course, as a mom, anything that multitasks is definitely something I'm going to be all about. I just put a little bit on my brush. Oh, actually, I'm kind of talking fast here. But typically I tie my hair back before I put on my makeup just to get it out of the way. Okay, and then you kind of blend in like circles. But I know some people use sponges, but I kind of like to use a brush actually. I think I get better coverage this way. And yeah, this stuff goes on very, very smoothly, I think. Trying to adjust my lighting a little bit. There we go. Yep, just kind of start blending circles, maybe a little bit more for my forehead area. It kind of looks shiny when you first put it on, but it kind of soaks in. I think I have more combination type skin. Sometimes it's drier, sometimes it's more oily. But yeah, this kind of that balances for dry and oily skin. Okay, and yeah, I've been using the Bare Minerals makeup since high school, actually, so about 20 years. Yeah, that kind of says my age. I'm actually 39. I'm kind of happy about that. It's not a secret. I am 39 years old. And yeah, I've been using that company ever since high school, and I definitely trust it. And I'm going to follow that up with my like 100% pure concealer. I usually put this underneath my eyes. Now, I really like the company 100% Pure because all of their pigments come from fruits, so it's completely natural. Kind of blend that in a little bit with my fingers. Actually, my brush actually is a little bit better. Kind of blend that in just a little bit underneath my eyes. Yeah, like 100% Pure is another company I really like because their products are, again, 100% natural, and I do have very sensitive skin. Just a little bit on my nose area. I'm going to link all these products down below as well. Just kind of blend that in. Okay. And then I'm going to follow that up with my 100% Pure mascara. But this is one of my favorite products too, because it's actually pigmented with chocolate, and it actually smells like chocolate. I wish you could smell this. Take a little smell if you can. I probably can't, but it smells just like chocolate because it's actually made from chocolate. That's how they get their pigments. And I actually have very, very sensitive eyes, so when it comes to mascara or anything that goes on my eye area, I always have to be very careful that it's completely natural. But I remember once in college, I put on, I think it was like an Elme mascara, and like I actually had to leave class because it felt like acid was just being poured into my eye. So yeah, when it comes to like mascara or eyeliner, I have to be so careful that it's natural. And this one doesn't make my eyes water or sting or anything. So it's definitely a good product if you have sensitive eyes like I do. It's good. Then I'm going to follow that up with this Juice Beauty blush. Like I like the Juice Beauty company too, because again, it is all natural. This is like a cream blush, so you kind of put a little bit on your cheeks, but depending on how heavy you want it. and you just blend away. Um, but But one of the reasons I'm making this video this week is because I want to focus on self-care, because as we know, Mother's Day is coming up, and I think a lot of women, especially mothers like myself, have to focus on self-care. Like my daughter is 1.5, and it's taken me a while to kind of focus on self-care, honestly, but I think I'm getting better. I know if I put makeup on in the morning, I feel more like myself, and I've been doing that more and more lately. In fact, I always try to carve out a little bit of time in the morning, sometimes before my daughter wakes up, and I just focus on myself, doing my makeup, drinking my coffee, and by doing that, I think it actually makes me a better mom. By focusing on yourself, you have more to give to others. So never feel guilty about focusing on yourself, whether it be getting your hair done, getting your nails done, taking a little time for yourself to do your makeup. You are worth it. Like I also use this eyebrow color, also from 100% Pure. In fact, I sometimes wet the brush before putting this on, but I guess now I'll just do it dry. But you can do it wet as well. I think if you do it wet, it's kind of creamier actually, but let's see if I can do this dry too, because I like my eyebrows to be a little bit darker. Makes me look a little bit healthier. Like I've noticed since I had my daughter, my eyebrows have been kind of thinner, so I try to darken those up a little bit, if you can see that. But this is the color Blonde, by the way. I think it's blonde. Let me make sure. Yep, this is the color Blonde. Oh, and also this the blush that I put on is the color Seashell. And this is the color Bamboo, if that helps you when you click on the links that I'm posting down below. And yep, see, I'm already kind of coming together, I think. And then the last thing I usually put on is a little bit of lipstick. Now, I have two lipsticks from 100% Pure, but this one is more of a neutral shade, as you can see, which I really like. This is more of my daily lipstick that I use. And this one is the is a red lipstick. It's more, if you can see it, there we go. Yep, but this is more what I put on if I want to be a little bit more dramatic, so I guess I'll put this one on today. And again, because it's 100% pure, it is pigmented completely from fruit pigments. So it's usually about two passes on each lip. I feel a little bit more dramatic today, so let's do a more dramatic lip. Like so, okay? And like I know with traditional lipsticks, when they're this bright red kind of color, like I've heard, those bright red dyes are sometimes linked to cancer. But no, this is just completely fruit pigmented, so you don't have to worry about that at all. It's just completely natural. And there you go. I think I'm ready now to start my day. Back in days when I'm filming, I usually put on like a little bit more a cheek color like I did today. And yeah, that's about it. Kind of based on my camera timer, that was just under 10 minutes, which is exactly what I promised. And there is my 10-minute beauty tutorial. Well, I hope everyone has a nice Mother's Day, and I will see you next Monday in my next video. Bye for now.